Y'all think I got this all figured out, but man, nah, I don't. I've got doubts and I've got things that I don't know. Like, what about when I die? What about when I die? Will I be down below? Oh, or be up in the sky? I can't live up to that label, I just tried to be myself. All they saw was a misfit that just tried to search himself. Just another pastor's son that just needs a little help. Man, he went off of that deep end, why don't you judge somewhere